Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to unbox a Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. So it's still closed and both sides are closed. So we're going to open it and see what's inside on this box. So we're going to remove and the other side also. So it's here, the Huawei Wi-Fi. So it's 5.45 HD display, 320 mAh, 16 GB ROM, 8MP rear camera. And you know how much is this? It's only 21 KD. So it's a black one. And this is only made in China, guys. So it has an adapter, one headset, and the wire for the charger. And there is also a screen protector and the booklet. And there's also the needle for the open SIM card. So it's 16 GB only, so not too big. So we try to remove this one, and this is the camera. This is the on. Let's switch it on. And this side is the volume. And the other side will be the SIM card portion. Then here's the charger, and here's where you put the headset. So now it's opening. So we're going to register it first. So this is it, the Huawei Wi-Fi Lite. Maganda na siya. You can use it to support if you have live stream. Maganda siya sa kamay, mabilis siyang matouch. And not so expensive. Pwede siya pang gifts. And it only cost 21,900 KD. And it has a 1-year warranty. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So this is Helen Moore. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye bye.